Hi friends, and welcome to another Katie Productions puppet show. Today we have Sesame Street, Elmo's Jumping in Puddles. Enjoy the show.
Lots and lots of puddles at last! Elmo's jumping in puddles on a rainy day. Jumping in puddles when the clouds are dark and gray. Elmo splishes and splashes